Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Today's lesson is based on the bank errors. Now, what are bank errors? Are errors that are made by the bank. We have a debit and a credit error. There's only two types of errors. Now, with the debit error, it happened when the business deducts money from the business, sorry, when the bank deducts money from the business's bank account by mistake. So we call it a debit error because money was debited, money was deducted. Now, an example of a debit error: stop order for 1,000 was debited, means was deducted. Remember that when we do the bank reconciliation and the bank statement, you need to think of equity, where I said equity increase on the credit side, equity decrease on the debit side. Equity increase on your right hand side, equity decrease on your left hand side. So if money was deducted, it means it was debited because equity decrease on the debit side. Now, where do we rectify this error? On the credit side of the bank reconciliation statement. Credit side, it means we're saying to the bank, please add this money, we need it back. You deducted this money by mistake, so it belongs to us. You need to credit this amount. Equity increase on the credit side, equity decrease on the debit side. So if it's a debit error, it means money was deducted. So to rectify this error, an entry will be made on the credit side of the bank reconciliation statement. Why credit side? Because equity increase on the credit side, money should be refunded to the business. Credit error. Remember, guys, now we're discussing the bank reconciliation statement. And with bank reconciliation statement and the bank statement, just think of equity. Equity increase on the credit side, equity decrease on the debit side. So this is an error made by the bank where money will be added into the business's bank account by mistake. Here's an example. A deposit for 4,000 made by another client of the bank was deposited, was added into the business's bank account by mistake. Now, where do we record this error? This error should be recorded on the debit side of the bank reconciliation statement. As you can see, it says record here. This is the debit side, the left side, and on the other side is the credit side. Any questions, please?